Hello all, welcome to another quick learning. Today we're going back to CodeSignal to work on the SQL coding exercises. If you're joining this in the middle of the playlist, I'll go ahead and put a link down below so you can start from the beginning if you wish. Otherwise, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So we're going to the arcade, and then we're going to databases. So we left off in the group by section movieDirectors, number 20. So you want to expand your movie collection, but you don't really have any preferences, so you're not sure where to start. After some consideration, you decided that you should start by finding more movies from award-winning directors whose movies you already own, and you have a shot a movie somewhat recently. To find the directors whose movies you might want to consider watching in the first place, you've created a database of all the films you already own and stored them in a movies info table, which has the following structure. So it's got a title, director, year, and Oscars. Given the movie info table composed a list of directors you should consider watching more movies from. The resulting table should have a single director column and contain the names of films such that they shot movies after the year 2000. The total number of Oscar awards these movies received is more than 2. The table should be sorted by the director's name in ascending order. Okay, so this is what the movies info table looks like, and they want just director column. Okay. So here's the criteria. So first we're going to select, and we're going to do distinct directors, because you'll see that a director can do more than one film, so we want to collapse down multiple directors into one row. And then, actually we don't need this distinct because we have the group by, so I'm going to take this out because we've got the group by here that's going to group by directors. And then we're just do from this one table, movies info. And then the criteria, so movies shot after the year 2000, that would go in the where clause because it's only looking at one row. Each individual row, was it shot after the year 2000, so a year greater than 2000. And then the total number of Oscar awards these movies received is more than 2. So in that case we have to do the having, and we're going to do a sum of Oscars. So Christopher Nolan here has 2, so you would sum that up and that would be 5. So that just has to be greater than 2, the sum by directors. And then lastly, we just have to sort them by the director's name in ascending order. So we've got the order by director, and ascending is what it is by default, so you don't need any special characters after that. We run the test. That works out correctly, so that is indeed the correct answer. Hope you guys were able to follow along with that, and hope you guys join me for more of these CodeSignal videos. Thank you very much.